Part 2 puzzle. Wait. Sis. Wait. It's Christmas Day. Where is the free kids though right now, bro? Mabasta, labas muna tayo. Wait lang! Bakit? Pilit tayo toys. I'm scared, okay? Okay, wait lang. Ilagay, isa dito, mag-cabinet tayo dito. Ha? Kala ko ako. Go na! Ate, dito, ate, dito yung ano mo, drawer. May yung pa ako dito. Wait lang sis. Bigyan ka lang Okay. Wait! Sasamahin mo ba ako sa Shopee? No, we are grow up. Wait, taas ka muna. Okay. Hindi! I forgot the phone. We don't have phone. Wait, mag-ano muna tayo. Tsaka mate. Wala ka ganyan. Stole for you. I stole it. Sis, you stole my jackets? No, I didn't stole it. Sabi ko, papingin ako isa. Okay, you said you stole it. I said not stole it. Ito ka lang yun. Inama, kwento na isa-isa. Love, joyous. No, don't stop singing. Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Good stem cell are giving our stories. Ayan lang, isa lang. Ano ba yan? That's my jacket. Next na magpapalit muna akong damit. Oh my goodness. Okay, ano ba yan? Naiinis na ako. Dito ko nang lagay. Dito mo na ilagay. Okay, naiinis na ako. Dito ko nang ilagay. Sis! Wait lang! Magpapalit ng damit. Dito muna ako. Hantay muna kita. Wait! Aka na. Wait lang. I need to lamos kasi nantok na ako. Ang kwento, andan, and to brush teeth. Okay, nito ligo. Huwag ka na magligo, sis. Tandaan. Kailangan. Ganito po. Ganito po. That's... Ew! I get to push it. Hindi pa natin mahanap yung toothbrush. Edit, turn the aircon now. Ayaw ko lang aircon. Okay, say some time to wait. Okay, ikaw naman. Mag-ano ko muna ng damit? Ako na niya. Wait. Sis, you need to pa. Ikaw mo muna. Ako maghawak. Ikaw, ipapak ko muna yung mga stuff mo habang babaya. Mamaya muna tayo umalis, okay? Yeah. Alis ko muna to. Ba't nakipas? Okay. Oh my god, it's so rough. Okay, that's perfect. Ako nagpapak things mo. Okay, done. Factorial things. Search mo. Diba akong jacket? Okay, dito ko muna itabi yung package na. Okay, time to go now. Oh my God. Pangit ang mukha mo. I gonna make you over. And you're done. Huwag mo ng glasses mo. Pangit na yan. Kasi bakit ko binili? Okay, dito mo. Tatabi ko lang sa closet ko. Baka may nangkunin Hindi, tabilin mo lang dito. Ay, walay. Sorry. Okay, you're so pretty now. Let's go to the shop. Ako na. Whee! Yun na nauna. Ay, oh my God. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Did you see that car? Ouch! Kaya the empty room na lalaki pa shik-shiki. Okay lang. Ay, bro! Bro! Punta tayo sa... room natin to! Yes! Sa-delete! Hindi, gone na nga. Hindi, sa tayo sa atin. Diba? Ano ba yan? Ay, doon tayo sa pinakamataas. Wag! Ayaw ko. Dito na ako. Ako ba? Yeah! I'm the winner! Punta muna tayo, Okay, wait lang. Ako muna mauna. Nagugula naman cellphone dito, sis. Okay lang yun. Magbibili muna ako mga damit. Wait lang. Wait. Don't you shush me. Kaya ayaw matagal. Ayaw matagal. Take these shoes. I don't like this. Oh my God. Get this out. I want these shoes. I want these shoes. I want these benches. I want these shoes. Oh my goodness! This is for you, sis. When you make me angry, I'm gonna make Jabber nice. Wait. Gusto mo to, ate? Gusto mo to? I should be yes, my friend. I see it. Yan. Go na ito, ate. Okay, guys. Yan na, wait. Okay, I'm gonna take mine. Go na, go na, go na. Get out the block of the way. Okay, sis. Don't you wear it, don't you dare. Nah. Okay, sis. We're time to go. Yep. Wait, you forgot something cool. This is fine, and this is yours. For Rusty forever. Wait. This is the idea. Wait, where's this? The bigger? No, this is the wrong pose. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, Wow, what is that star though? Ay, dito ka muna, sis. Baka pumasok. Just wanna take. Ko ba lipsticks out? Okay, dito ka muna mag-sit. Check ko lang ito dito. What? Cute. What? Oh, it's so cute. The stuff like this is so cool. I never seen so. Wow. Wow, so cool. Oh, wow. No. You need to pay, man. $7. I just go for the credit card. What's this? That's gonna mean malapit naman mag-Christmas. This Christmas, a Christmas. Ouch! Ay, dating bye. Hey, lady. What? Merry Christmas. Oh, who's this? Sister, maglaro tayo ng snow. No, the snow is not working. This Christmas, a Christmas. Oh, it's wrong way. Oh, fuck. Wait! Okay. Okay. Rockway! Oh my God. We need to head home fast. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wait. Tapi wala tayo sa bahay. Huwag mo na next time. Okay. Wee. Sino pinapost mo? Okay. Punta mo na tayo! Mamaya. Or part 4 or part 3. Hanggang part 3 pa yan. Pinost mo? Hindi. Bakit? Hindi ko talaga pinost. Dito muna tayo. What is that? Maganda pa to. Ito. Mas maganda pa to. No, huwag mo yung pindutin. Tabs yan. Ganda pa yung damit ko. I wanna be. Ipi. Okay. Alam sa'yo remote. Nagbibideo lang ako. Woo! Okay, and this is the head. Where's mine, sis? Ayun lang. Nag-wear kang damit pretty, not like a nerd. Okay, sabi mo. Okay, t-shirts na lang, t-shirt. T-shirt to? Yeah. Bakit may medyas? Okay, lagyan. Rainbow ka naman, di ba? Tukot? Yes. I-aircon mo. I will, ayun. Naka-aircon na. Bakit? Okay. Ay, snow na pala. Get this. Hindi na kayo kung remote. Wala niya sa akin yung remote. Okay, I need to better place. Wait lag. I need the check mo yung YouTube. I need something check mo nga to. Not that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.